Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Jodoo Masterclass series. Today, I'll show you how to efficiently manage your organization structure in Jodoo. We'll walk through adding departments and roles, setting up super admins and regular admins, disabling or deactivating members, and smoothly handing over responsibilities when someone leaves. Let's get started by setting up your organization structure. In Jodoo, you can group users in two main ways, by department or by role. Departments are straightforward. They represent different units within your company. Typically, there's a main department, which can contain multiple subdepartments for specific teams or functions. To add a subdepartment, just go to the Contacts section. In the department area, you'll see your department list, like Jodoo Training, with subdepartments such as IT, HR, and Sales. To add a subdepartment, hover over the parent department, click the three dots, select Add Subdepartment, enter the name, and click OK. That's it. Your new subdepartment is instantly created. Super simple. Now, let's talk about roles. Roles are perfect for cross-department collaboration. They let you group members from different departments who share similar responsibilities or work on the same project. For example, let's say you're managing a localization project. You need Alice from production and Lucy from translation. Instead of assigning tasks and permissions to each person individually, you can create a localization role and assign both of them to this role. Let me show you how to set this up. First, go to the Roles section and click the plus button. Select Create Role Group and name it Localization. Click OK and your new role group is created. Next, let's add members to this role. Click the three dots icon next to the role group and choose Add Role. Then, select the members you want to add, like Alice and Lucy, and click OK. Now, whenever there's a localization task, you can simply use the localization role to share forms, dashboards, assign tasks, or set up notifications. This makes collaboration much more organized and efficient. Next, let's cover admins and how to add them. Admins have special management permissions. In Jodoo, there are three types: owner, super admin, and regular admin. The owner is the team creator and has full access to everything. Owners can create and manage both super admins and regular admins. Super admins are added by the owner or other authorized super admins. They can manage all departments, members, and apps within the organization. Regular admins have limited permissions, defined by the owner or super admins. They can only manage specific departments, members, and certain apps, based on what's assigned to them. So, how do you add a super admin? Just click the box next to Super Admin. A list of members appears. Select who you want to add. To create a regular admin group, click the plus button next to Admin Group. Give your group a name. Add admins. And set their permissions, including which apps, departments, and roles they can manage. Now, here's something important. Form permissions are not automatically inherited. Even if you're a super admin, you can't access specific form views unless you're explicitly added to that form's permissions. Let's look at an example. Suppose we have an employee information form. I've set up a special data view and given access to this sample permission group. If I'm a super admin but haven't been added to this form's permissions, I can only see the data submission page. I can't see the grid view or manage all data. But once I'm added to the form's permissions, I can refresh and now access the grid view. So, the key takeaway is, form permissions must always be assigned separately. High-level system roles do not automatically grant access to specific forms. This keeps your sensitive data secure and ensures only the right people have access. Next, let's talk about disabling, deactivating, and handing over member accounts. Disable. The user stays in your contacts list and can be re-enabled anytime, no verification needed. Deactivate. The user is removed from your list and moved to the inactive users section. They'll need to be reinvited and verified to rejoin. Handover. You can transfer the member's current tasks, roles, workflow approvals, and forms or dashboards to someone else. No matter which action you take, the user's records and submitted forms stay in your database. Disabling or deactivating only affects their access, not the data itself. To perform these actions, just go to Contacts, find the member, click the 3 dots, and select the operation you want. It's that easy. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I hope you now feel confident managing your organization in Jodoo. See you in the next masterclass.